Alright, so it's around 2:50 now. I have started my solo trek. Looks like there are signboards everywhere. I just need to follow it. Something like this. And yes, that's the one which I'm trekking. Careful with these rocks. So that's the lake I went a couple of days back. Sunset was beautiful from there. Yeah. Finally, I feel like I'm on the top. Took almost like 4 breaks. I'm totally not in good shape, man. There you go. Oh, finally. Wow. Yes, I did it. So to reach the fort I took almost 1 hour, and another 10 minutes there is a temple, so I'm gonna check that out and come back. Wow. really good. If anybody wants to meditate, you can come here. Absolutely very silent. You can hear only bird chirping, nothing else. After this trekking, if you come and sit here, it will be amazing. You will love it. All right, so trek was good, but one of the driest trek I have done recently. You don't get to hear any birds chirping till the top. You can see only lizards and small bushes, no trees, nothing. And I highly recommend not to come during summer, or even if it's winter at this time, not in the daytime, like early morning or in the evening. Come here and camp. That would be really good. You can witness sunset and sunrise both. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but one day for sure. Get some water, snacks, wear good shoes which has good grip, and whatever you carry to the top, carry it back. Don't throw anything on the top of the hill. It's already getting spoiled. Yeah. Alright. I took around 1 hour, but if you are in a good fitness level, then I'm sure maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes max can come to the top. I would say trek level is medium, easy to medium. At some point it's steep, and then it's okay, you can manage. Alright, see you guys later then, once I go to the base. I'll talk to you again. With the trekking, I'm a little exhausted already. Badly looking for a coffee. Alright guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked, please like and subscribe, and do share.